Hello all, welcome to Random Art with Karen. And as you can see through the title, I've been shopping at Whitebird Design Co. Let me show you her website. Hopefully there's not too much glare there. So the sticker sheets and sets, she also has, as you can see, decals. And come on. Today, please and thank you. Oh, let's try this. The Shop Now button. So what I want to show you is, even though I just bought a few things, we'll do Love is Faith since that's the first one that comes up. Oh, look, she's got a weekly prayerful planner. Hey, girl. All right. So you can buy the full set that she offers, and you can also buy a la carte, which is what I did. But she has, like full boxes, and let's see if I can do a little bit bigger. Yeah, days of the week, and yeah, full boxes. So just a whole set if you're interested in the whole set, or you could just buy the image sheet. All right, so let me show you what I bought. She sent this beautiful thank you card, and with a personal note. It says, "Dear Karen, thank you so much for your order. I hope you enjoy the stickers and praying they are reminders that the Lord is always with you." Isn't that beautiful? And then, yeah, she's also added this, and maybe because I had a $35 order, I kept seeing, it's like, okay, I want that, I want that. All right, and this is some really nice sticker paper. So this one is Trust in the Lord. And I just love that the verses are included and some really fun fonts, and that all, obviously color coordinates. And if I wanted to, I could have gotten washi strips that could, coordinate it in full boxes. But I knew that I would just be using this for, my prayerful planner. And I don't usually use full boxes in that. This one's called Humility. This one's called Fearless. Pray more, worry less. Yes. Draw near. And I like, again, the verses that she chose to go with the beautiful florals. And I love my florals. That's why I went a little overboard in shopping, but with my $35 order, I got free shipping. So yeah, if you order 35 or more, then shipping is free. Pray first. Love is. Now this one I did decide, so I'll show you that, to get the washi tape just to see if it's something that I would use. So for my future orders, maybe not just the image deco sheet, but then also get coordinating washi. So we'll see how I use those. So yeah, payday, work, church, appointment, groceries, and loved. Love is patient, love is kind, love does not envy. And then you can see how beautifully that coordinates together. All right, so I will, of course, put her link below, and you're going to enjoy shopping there. And I got these within a pretty timely fashion. I'm thinking about a week after my order. All right, good people, if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Become a subscriber if you're not already. Just hit the subscribe button. And those of you that do subscribe, I appreciate you. Let's do the wave bye. Look forward to doing something random with you next time.